Hello and welcome back. And today I will be escaping cops once again in beamng Drive. But instead of doubling the horsepower or getting rid of horsepower every time the cops catch me, I will be upgrading one part in my vehicle whenever they catch me. And goal is still the same, to make it to this island up here. Go up to the dockyard, do a little lap around, make it down to Rich's motor or dealership place. And if I can make it down there, I'm gonna say I can get just a brand new car. Okay. Alright. Oop, little side swipe. Lost a mirror. If I can make it, I'm gonna get a new car with even more horsepower though. If I make it, I'm gonna double the horsepower in my car. If they catch me, actually no, if I make it, I'm gonna cut the horsepower in half. And if they catch me, like right now, I'm going to upgrade one part in my car, which I can't move, so I think I'm gonna have to upgrade a part in my car. Yeah. You got me. Okay. Alright. I get to upgrade one part in my car now. And I'm gonna go for the engine. I'm not gonna just go ahead and put the best engine I can in here though. I'm just gonna upgrade it a little bit. So I'm gonna go up from a 1.1 to a 1.3. Two rotor sounds cool. Let's go with that. Oh my. Listen to that thing. Oh my gosh, that cop just blew that. Take the upgrade because honestly that cop pulled out right in front of me, but I'll take an upgrade. What do we want to do? I don't know, some sort of like a turbo or supercharger. It sounds kind of cool. We'll go stage 1 turbo. Very well. It's got a little too much power. It is a rotor, so I do believe that those types of engines do guzzle oil now. At least in real life, I'm pretty sure they do. Let's upgrade these tires now. It's impossible to control this vehicle. Let's see, I do have a mod, the extra grip, which allows me to give it just a bunch of grip. I might just upgrade the wheel now. Rear wheels. I'm thinking just giving it really big wheels. Why didn't it let me click on it? Alright. Those look like they might grip a bit better. Not gonna crash right away. Done that in the past. Alright. I believe in this car. I must say, if I can make it, if I make it like right now, then I'm just gonna cut the car's power in half. No. No. I'm off the wheels. I need my controller for this. Okay, I'm gonna have to get arrested because I can't do it in this. Not enough control. I'm thinking it gotta upgrade the brakes now. Well, nah. Maybe the oil pan. Race oil pan. That kind of makes sense because it did say that the oil was critically low, so think I need to upgrade the brakes. Maybe I should upgrade the tires. Or the steering so I can just have it pull off drifts. Let's see if I can make it. Sacks. I've got a slight pull to the right from the damage to my car. This car is way too fast for its own brakes. The brakes lock up and then it just skids instead of stopping. Maybe it's the tires. The tires aren't breaking the ground. Upshift a little bit. I gotta upshift to make this car controllable. That cop just jumped over the curb. I need to upgrade then. For, probably the last run I'm getting for this video. So, I bet that cop's about to crash into that cop. Never mind. I think this is gonna be the last run I'm gonna get this video. So, I have to make this one count. Alright. Let's go. It'd be funny if one of the cops was from the Scintilla. That'd be kind of funny because the Scintilla cop car, I think it might be a little bit too This engine is insanely powerful. I forgot to keep my eye on the road. This is a bit funny, but it doesn't. No! Okay. Well, this is the last run I'm getting. So, alright. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now.